Welcome all. So this is a trailer video for this particular channel, why this channel was created and what this channel is all about. So this channel is about the mystical knowledge. It's all about that what Tantra is, what Sattvic Tantra is, what really black magic and supernatural entities are about, and there's so much of exploitation happening these days at the name of spiritualism, and there's so much of misguidance happening at the name of spiritualism and occult sciences. So this is very disheartening for me and for my whole team to know, and the reason I've created this channel is so that I can actually conduct an awareness program through different topics, small topics that I pick up every week on YouTube, which I've recently started, of course, because it is very difficult for me to take out time and speak on YouTube. But then since there were many emails pouring in from last 2 years, many letters and your phone calls were coming in, your live chats that we want you should come on YouTube and speak on these topics to educate people. And the biggest thing that this channel is created is for the educated class, because see, educated class is one particular class who does not believe, mostly is not believing. There are two groups. One group says is of the non-believers, another group is for the believers. Believers, of course, are the ones who are the victims, or their family members are the victims of any kind of black magic or supernatural activity. But the non-believers are the ones who make fun of these victims, and that is something which is very disheartening and disappointing. So the reason I pick up these topics, or this channel is created, is to talk about the unknown world, the dark world, which nobody talks about in the educated class. They think it's supposed to be a not very cool aspect to talk about dark energies, and or the dark world, because we live in a very modern society, in a scientific society, in a high technology world, and all this is good for nothing. But then let me tell you that if people who are watching this video, many of you who are my followers, have read my book. There are two books that I've written about the unknown world, and the first one is a semi-autobiography along with the 10 stories about the true paranormal stories of the victims. So you will understand and you will know that I was a victim of black magic myself. I'm talking about years back. But then I also never used to believe that there is some sort of black magic or supernatural activities existing. But then when the black magic and the supernatural activities attacked me, when I was attacked and my life went upside down completely, I was from a corporate sector altogether myself. So then I realized that yes, God made me realize that if there is God, there is devil also. So that is the reason that in every book of mine I write that if God exists, demon also exists. So the kind of problems I faced that particular time when I was going through in the black magic trap, and my friends or my known ones used to make fun if I used to tell them that I feel that somebody is sitting next to me, or if I'm feeling that there is some sort of entity in this room, I'm not alone. So the kind of fun and the kind of mockery used to be created was very disappointing and very disheartening for me as an individual. Many people will say that you need to see a psychiatrist. And that time, and of course how I got out of it and how I came into this particular work of spiritual and mystical sciences is something which is written on my book. It's written in my book, and this is the major reason that why I can understand all the victims, the black magic victims who come to me for help, or my team for help, because I know the kind of depression and I know the kind of struggle they go through, especially if they're from the educated class and especially if they're from the corporate sector. However, I'm talking about 15 to 20 years back story. It's not that I'm talking about a recent activity right now. That time there were no programs on Discovery. There were no programs about haunting episodes when this happened with me. So right now there's so many things to support this particular aspect of mystical sciences on televisions also now. So yes, people have started believing that dark energies and the unknown world do exist. So it's become much more easier, but still the reason, like I always say, there are lot many things which are happening which should not happen at the name of spiritualism, especially for the women victims. It's very difficult for them to contact any spiritual healer. I'm not talking all spiritual healers are bad, but mostly they are exploited physically, they're exploited emotionally, they're exploited mentally. Okay, so the reason is that I can educate you, I can make you aware about that how to go about a process in a correct manner and not get exploited at the same time, with the help of these topics that I talk about, whether it's a black magic topic, whether it's a spiritual topic, whether it's about dreams, whether it is about the seduction, anything regarding the mystical sciences will be talked about here. Okay, so that is the reason that, so people who are actually ready for a blunt and an assertive narration are the only ones who will be able to handle this channel. Otherwise, if you're looking for things for entertainment purposes or for anything that you think that is going to be really on a lighter note, this is not the channel meant for you. You can immediately skip the channel right away and leave from this channel.